September, the month where leaves turn golden, pumpkin spice lattes make their grand return, and Calgary's real estate market, well, it just refuses to cool down. So let's dive into this intriguing dance of numbers and trends where homes are the stars and buyers and sellers the eager audience. Hey, welcome to another video. My friend's PlanWithMike.ca, and if this is your first time here and you want to stay up to date on the Calgary real estate market, or if you're looking for ways to simplify the buying as well as the selling process by using specific marketing strategies and negotiating techniques, make sure to follow and subscribe. Let's start by looking at sales. September saw an astounding 2,441 sales, making it the superstar month of the year. Here's the twist. While we're celebrating these monthly milestones, the year-to-date sales are playing hard to get, trailing by nearly 12% compared to last year. It's like enjoying a sunny day but knowing there's a bit of rain in the annual forecast. What about inventory? If Calgary's homes were part of a magic show, they'd be the act that disappears before you can say sold. September's inventory was a whopping 24% lower than last year, with a sales to new listing ratio of 76%. Now, it's clear that homes are in high demand, making their grand exit from listing stage in record time. What about months of supply, which is a key indicator of market health? It has remained under 2 months, and in layman's term, if no new homes were listed, it would take less than 2 months to sell all the properties currently available. This further emphasizes the high demand and low supply scenario that we're experiencing. If Calgary's real estate prices were on an escalator, they'd really be consistently moving up floor by floor by floor. Detached homes, for example, for those eyeing homes priced below $700,000, the market might pose some challenges. The supply for this segment is incredibly tight, with less than a month's worth of inventory. Detached homes are holding the premium floor spot with a price of $696,100. That's up 11% from last year. Now, when we look at semi-detached, September brought a breath of fresh air for semi-detached homes. With new listings outpacing sales, we saw the sales to new listing ratio drop below 70% for the first time since last September, and it's sitting at 621,300. They're enjoying the view from an 11% higher vantage point compared to last year. Row houses climbing steadily. They've reached 419,400, which is a significant 17% boost from last year. And apartment condos, new listings for them in September reached an all-time high, driving record sales with a comfy spot at 312,800. They're sitting pretty with a 15% year-over-year growth. Now, if we look a little bit outside of Calgary, look at the regional rundown, a tale of three cities, really. I mean, there's Airdrie, Cochrane, for example, and Okotoks. Each have their unique market dynamics. From record low inventory levels in Airdrie to a slight cooling off in Cochrane, it's crucial to understand these regional nuances if you're considering these areas. So looking at Airdrie, it has a benchmark price of $518,000 in September. It's like the market had an 8% growth spurt from last year. Cochrane, here prices settled at $532,700, which is a modest yet respectable 5% hike from September 2022. Okotoks standing tall at $580,200. It's basking in the glow of a nearly 9% annual increase. Now let's shift gear and talk a little bit about migration, because Calgary seems to have this magnetic pull attracting people from other provinces, and this influx is really what's stoking the fires of housing demand, even as lending rates try to play spoil sport. As CREP chief economist Anne Marie said, new listings are like the appetizers, but they're not filling the market's main course hunger. So as we tiptoe into the year's final quarter, Calgary's real estate market is really buzzing with anticipation. The current dynamics of more demand and less supply seem set to continue. For sellers, it's like being the most popular person at a party. For buyers, on the other hand, they need to lace up their running shoes to keep up with this fast-paced market marathon. In an era marked by record-breaking prices, dwindling inventories, and a real estate market that's really buzzing with activity, it's easy to really feel overwhelmed, by the sheer volume of information. The Calgary real estate landscape, as depicted in this month's report, really showcases a market that's both dynamic but also challenging. And in such times, I've really observed two distinct reactions among people. From customers, from prospects that we talk to on a daily basis. There's one group that assimilates and continues to march ahead with their life goals. They see the record sales, they understand the inventory challenges, and they make informed decisions and move forward from there. Then there's another group that, despite having all this information, finds themselves frozen, unable to make a move. They're caught really in a whirlwind of what ifs and maybes, often paralyzed by the sheer magnitude of decisions that they have to face. Now, I'm not here to judge or to say one approach is better than the other, but I urge you to reflect upon which group you find yourself gravitating towards. My role isn't just about facilitating property transactions. It's about really guiding individuals and families through some of life's most significant transitions. And while external factors like, market trends and economic indicators play a role, it's really essential to remember that life doesn't stand still. Whether it's, welcoming a new member to the family or helping aging parents find a comfortable space, maybe relocating for that dream job or reuniting with loved ones, from afar. Life's milestones don't wait. So with the Calgary market witnessing unprecedented sales, benchmark prices are on the rise, and regional markets like Airdrie, like Cochrane, like Okotoks, each presenting their unique opportunities and also representing their challenges. It's more crucial than ever to really have a clear perspective. So as we navigate this, ever-evolving real estate landscape, my commitment remains unwavering. It is really to provide you with the most accurate, most timely and relevant insights, ensuring that you're equipped to make the best decisions for your future. If real estate really were a sport, Calgary would be the star player consistently scoring goals. It's essential to have a guide, to preferably one with a sense of humor and a knack of deciphering market mysteries. Whether you're pondering a property move, seeking some sage advice, or just curious about the latest market shenanigans, I'm here, ready to chat over a cup of coffee, maybe even a pumpkin spice latte. Just head over to PlanWithMike.ca, select a day and time that works for you, and let's chat. Or better yet, send me a text or give me a call directly. You can reach me at 403-809-9386. Thanks for watching, and talk to you soon.